Education is the foundation of transformation. At AngloGold Ashanti, we believe that empowering our youth is the greatest investment we can make for a sustainable future. Welcome to the AngloGold Ashanti Community Scholarship Scheme, a key part of our 10-year socio-economic development plan. By removing financial barriers, we are supporting brilliant but needy students from our host communities to pursue higher education, innovate, and become the leaders of tomorrow. Let's get into the actual video and know the requirements. Now, let's talk about the requirements of the AngloGold Ashanti Scholarship Scheme. To be eligible to apply for this scholarship, you must meet one of the following requirements. And the requirements are what we have here. The applicant should either be a native, lived, or schooled in any of the AngloGold host communities. You can Google this and get the list of the communities, or you can also check the description below for the list of communities under the AngloGold scheme. Must have parents currently living in the communities, which is very understandable. Must be brilliant, needy, and deserving of the scholarship. Where we find it a bit challenging is the needy and deserving of the scholarship. What you might think that you deserve might not be the case for them, and they also receive thousands of scholarships that they review most of the time. So if your scholarship don't stand out in certain ways, you might not even stand a chance of them reviewing your entire script and every document that you submit. Writing the letter for the need side is really important, and if you need an assistant with how to draft those letters, you can hit us up and we will be there to assist you. The next point is that you must have gained admission into KNUST Obuasi Campus to read the following courses. Here are the list of the courses that you have to buy your admission form and apply to before you will be given the scholarship. And importantly, you have to gain admission. So before you even start the scholarship, you have to apply for admission to KNUST Obuasi Campus. Then you can apply for the scholarship. Here are the list of the programs: civil, metallurgical, geological, mechanical, chemical, electrical and electronic engineering, geomatic engineering, materials engineering, and mining engineering. These are the programs that you have to apply for before you even get a chance to apply for this scholarship scheme we have available. Also, passed in all your examinations taken at the West African Examination Council, that's the WAS, and obtain an aggregate grade of 12 or better. The least grade that you can get is 12. You still have to even consider the admission requirements for KNUST Obuasi Campus before you apply for these. If the requirement over there is higher than what we have here, let's say 13, then this one makes a lot of sense and account for you to apply for this. But if it's somewhere 11 or 10 before you be accepted into this program, it means that the moment you meet the requirement of KNUST Campus to apply for this program, you automatically meet the requirement to apply for this scholarship scheme. Applying continuous students must have at least second class upper division, which is very loud and clear. A registered dependent of parents who are permanent employees of any mining company or major contractors. Must not be a registered dependent. Must be a single entry at tertiary level. Okay. Must not be a beneficiary of any other scholarship scheme. This is also very important, and it's a requirement for most of the scholarship we have available, except maybe private institutions who wish to grant scholarship. Even that, they do accountability for whatever scholarship that they grant to applicants. These scholarships are granted to you in collaboration with the school that you are in. They don't grant scholarship to people who are not in the education sector, who are not students. Hence, to verify your education status, they get in touch with the school themselves to verify your status. You can't lie that you are only one scholarship. Every scholarship company or scheme institution provide or get in touch with the financial sector of the school that you are in. Must not be a fee-paying student. Paying student means that for some reason you didn't meet the requirement and you applied for fee-paying, which is kind of expensive. The scholarship covers academic uses and examination fee, a laptop, hostel facility fee, which means your feeding is on you. Bear in mind that they will cover these fees for you. Means that they have to get the hostel fee, the amount that you'll be paying, and note that you have to apply and get admission into KNUST Obuasi. Hence, the hostel fee will be available to you after your admission. Then the academic user and examination fee will also be available to you to provide so that you can apply for the scholarship, and they will assist you with the payment accordingly. last on the list is how to apply. To apply for this scholarship, you have to pick up a form at the AngloGold Sustainability Department, Obuasi Municipal East and West Assembly Reception, Asada FM, Shaft FM, and Time FM. These are the available places that you can get a form and fill. You must also apply before 15th of July 2026. If you need any help or assistance in doing so, our number is in the description below for you to contact us, or leave a comment and we will respond the best way we can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in our next scholarship video.